Hey everybody, it's Amy Cramer from Cramer Law Group. I just wanted to do a quick little video series about the Ashley Ogedebe versus McDermott, Will and Emery case that was recently filed, I believe June 30th in the Northern District of Illinois. I have no horse in this game. I'm simply using this complaint as a teaching tool for small to mid-sized businesses, and I'm here. I want to see what happens with this case. So I have a little bit of a fascination with it because it highlights the problems really with working with a big megalith of a firm, something that I have not chosen to do in my career. I remember going to interview at a large firm, and I was maybe 26, something like that. And there was a guy there in his 40s and a guy there maybe in his 60s, two men. And how absolutely uncomfortable they made me feel was such a turnoff to working in that type of environment. So I'm not saying that the reason why I started this practice was directly because of that, but I was hyper aware of the pitfalls and issues with working for a large firm. I was a waitress through college. I worked at a tanning salon. I worked at concessions at the pool in high school. I worked in some situations that probably should have been more discriminatory, but I have never felt more like a piece of meat than in that interview, in that room with those two men. I was kind of horrified by that. So that's why I have a little bit of a fascination with this particular complaint. I'm not saying that any of the allegations are true, but taking them as true, they're relatable. They're definitely relatable. So I wanted to just kind of kick off this little series that I'm going to do about the allegations in this case and how they can really be used as a teaching tool for small to mid-sized businesses. And I want to pepper in some of my personal experience as well.